to my channel. If you are new here, I am Kia and this is my channel. Alright, so today's video is basically an unboxing video. Yeah, we'll be unboxing a vlogging tripod kind of thing, like that I ordered from Junior. Yeah, so we'll be unboxing it and then I'm bringing you guys along it, and I wanted to show you guys what I got. Yeah, so just subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's get into this video. So I've already opened the bag. Before I remembered, I said I'll make an unboxing video. So what comes in the packaging is just like my details. Don't be saying that. My details, like how much this cost and all, and I think I returned forms in case I have issues with the forms. It says customer service within 7 days from delivery fee, delivery date. Yo, bro. So I show my details and all, yeah, and then the tripod itself. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's the selfie stick. I'm coming, the focus is bad. All right, so it's the selfie stick integrated tripod KO7. The box is really small, yeah, and I'm hoping it will be long enough, like for vlogs and yeah. So this is how the packaging basically looks like. Alright, and the box is looking old. Like, look at the side. I don't know why the box is looking that old. Taking the fact that they brought it yesterday. Yo, I'm coming. Let's open it. Okay, so this is how it comes. This is how it comes. I think this is a manual. That's in Chinese. How are we? Okay, this is English. We'll read that one later. And this is the tripod itself. Wow. So you open it like this. Wow. How am I supposed to like put the phone inside? I'm coming. Okay, I'm coming. Let me see. Okay, all right. So I think you just fix your phone inside, and according to I'm coming. Oh, okay. So according to the manual, I think this is the remote. I'm coming. Let me try and. I'm supposed to lift. Oh, okay. This is the remote. You connect it to your Bluetooth, like as in your phone's Bluetooth, and then you put your phone here and you can control it. Let's see how long this is. Okay, so if you can see well in the video, like it's like this thing is like pretty long. It's long enough for vlogs and like when you want to do like the static videos. All right, so that's basically it. I'll just find a mirror somewhere and then show you how this thing looks like. Guys, so this is how the vlogging stick looks like the tripod. Bluetooth selfie stick. KO7 looks like. Yeah, right now it's in the folded state, but then I'll show you. I'll take a picture of it whilst like I have opened it as a tripod, and then I'll show you guys like right here. Yeah, up here. Yeah, so I'll show you guys how it looks, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, yo, I just woke up. Look at me in my in my PJs. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you all so much. Thanks for staying with me. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Alright, so remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you in another beautiful video. Mwah. I'm out.